Welcome to Factograph. If we take a quick look around the house, most of the things we use daily have an expiration date, whether it's food, drinks, or even personal care products. Eventually, everything goes bad or stops being as effective. But here's a big question: does poison have an expiration date too? And if it does, what happens when it expires? Does it lose its effect or become more dangerous? I'm Moheb, and before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, when we talk about poison, it's important to know it's a broad term. A poison is any substance that causes damage to living tissue once it enters the body, whether by eating, drinking, inhaling, or skin contact. It can be natural or synthetic. Back in the 16th century, Paracelsus, a famous Greek physician, said, "This is proven true, even water can be toxic if consumed in excess." That's why we have a whole science called toxicology that studies poisons. Poisons are categorized based on 1. Usage, medicinal, dietary, neurological. 2. Physical form, liquid, solid, gas. 3. Origin, plant-based, animal-based, synthetic. In the animal kingdom, there are over 220,000 types of poison, with snakes, spiders, and scorpions having some of the most potent ones. Now, let's focus on snake venom, one of the most famous poisons. An Egyptian YouTuber did an interesting experiment using venom from 3 of Egypt's most dangerous desert snakes. 1. Horned viper. 2. Saw-scaled viper. 3. Cobra. When mixed with blood, the effects were clear. 1. The horned viper's venom clotted the blood. 2. The saw-scaled viper's venom made it flow. 3. The cobra's venom didn't seem to do much. This shows that even within the same family of animals, venom can be very different. Snake venom contains hundreds of proteins and enzymes, and some snakes can produce multiple types of venom. These organic toxins degrade over time. Each compound in the venom breaks down at its own rate, so even if some decay, others can still be deadly for a long time. Let's talk about inorganic poisons like lead or arsenic. These don't break down in the same way because they don't have carbon-hydrogen bonds. Instead, they have something called a half-life. For example, lead-210 has a half-life of over 22 years, meaning it stays toxic for decades. In some cases, poisons can actually become more dangerous after they expire. For instance, certain pesticides, after being opened for 2 years, can harm plants and anyone who eats them. Similarly, some medications break down into harmful substances after expiration, which can damage the liver or kidneys. So, to sum it up: 1. Some poisons become less toxic over time. 2. Some become more toxic. 3. Some don't change at all. That's it for today. If you made it this far, hit the like button and drop your weird, late-night questions in the comments. See you next time.